Welcome to this video on simplifying rational algebraic expressions using algebraic properties. Let's begin. First we have 1/4 x minus 8/12 plus 3/5 x plus 5/6. The first thing that we are going to need to do is to organize these as far as like terms. So the 1/4 x cannot be combined with a negative 8/12. However, the 1/4 x can be combined with 3/5 x because they are like terms. Likewise, we can combine negative 8/12 and positive 5/6 because they are like terms. So now what can we do? Well, we have 1/4 x plus 3/5 x. So what we're going to have to do is we're going to have to get a common denominator. I can achieve this by multiplying 3x over 5 or 3/5 x by 4 over 4 and multiplying 1/4 x by 5 over 5. This gives me 5x over 20 plus 12x over 20. 5x plus 12x is 17x. So I have 17x over 20. That cannot be reduced, so I can simply move on. So now I have negative 8/12 plus 5/6. I can make these have the same denominator by simply multiplying 5/6 by 2 over 2. That gives me negative 8/12 plus 10/12. Negative 8 plus 10 is 2 over 12. Notice this is positive, so there should be a plus sign here. So the only thing I have left to do is that I can reduce 2 over 12. Anytime you can reduce a fraction, you must. So my final answer is 17x over 20 plus 1 over 6. If you don't remember how to add and subtract fractions, please go back and watch those videos. That is a prerequisite skill, and in this video it is assumed you remember how to add and subtract fractions. Let's do another example. We have 1/8 x minus 4/3 x. In this example, we only have two terms, and both of them, they are like terms, so they can be combined. So we can go ahead and just start by finding a common denominator. Okay, I'm going to achieve that by multiplying the left fraction by 3 over 3 and the right fraction by 8 over 8. This is going to give me 3x over 24 minus 4 times 8 is 32. So then we have 32x over 24. So we have 3 minus 32. 3 minus 32 is negative 29. So we have negative 29x over 24. That can't be reduced, so this is our final answer. All right, now we have 2/3 x minus 1/6 x plus 2 plus 4/5. So again, the x terms are like terms, and they can be combined. And then the constants, the 2 and the 4/5, are also like terms. So in some ways, you can really treat this as two separate problems. So for the x terms, I am going to achieve a common denominator by multiplying 2/3 x by 2 over 2. So this gives me 4/6x, or 4x over 6, minus 1/6x. Or, if you would rather, you could write it as 1x over 6. Those are the same. So 4x minus 1x is 3x. So I have 3x over 6, or 3/6x. 3 over 6 reduces to 1/2. Okay, let's come to the other side of the problem. Over here, remember 2 is really 2 over 1. So we have 2 over 1 plus 4 over 5. Okay, to give a common denominator here, we're going to multiply 2 by 5 over 5. So 2 is 10/5. So we have 10/5 plus 4/5. That gives us 14 over 5. Okay, and again, just bringing down the addition sign here. So our final answer is 1/2 x plus 14 over 5. Okay, let's do this last example. So this time, again, we have to sort of reorder things so that the like terms are next to each other. So we have 1/5 x plus 2/15 x. Those are like terms and can be combined. Then I have a negative 1/3 and a negative 1/2. Okay, and if you want, you can put a plus sign here just to remember that you're combining those. Okay, so to obtain a common denominator, I'm going to multiply 1/5 x by 3 over 3. So this becomes 3/15 x, or 3x over 15. Okay, and then this is 2x over 15, or 2/15 x. So 3x plus 2x is 5x. So we have 5x over 15. That reduces to 1x over 3, or if you want to write it, you could write it as 1/3 x, or you could also just write it as x over 3. Those are all the same expression. It's up to you. Okay, coming to the other side, we have two negative fractions. Okay, and so I'm going to multiply the 1/2 by 3 over 3. I'm going to multiply the 1/3 by 2 over 2. When I do that, this gives me negative 2/6, and then negative 3/6. So together that is going to give me negative 5/6. Okay, so I don't super confuse everybody here. This is our final answer. So we have 1x over 3, or 1/3 x, minus 5/6. And I'll write that up here so everybody can see it. So 1x over 3 minus 5/6. Again, if you'd rather write that as x over 3 minus 5/6, that would be fine. You could also write it like this, 1/3 x minus 5/6. These are all equivalent expressions.